Then, if you could share with us that, let's say, especially with students, because we have seen that a lot of students come who have passed out after 10th standard or 12th standard, and they're looking at some kind of guidance when they're
Yeah.
confused that what to pick up with. So how does it help the students? How does graphotherapy help with students?
It helps amazingly deeply, actually, because if you see, students are at a very vulnerable age, right? They want to do a lot of things, but they're very confused. And especially in today's times, there are so many options, right? And from my experience that I've done it for students, especially at an age where they're deciding their careers, right? They're mostly torn between their hearts and their parents, right? So the parents want them they want to do something else, and then there's this world which tells them if you do this you're going to earn more, right? But end of the day, if there is somebody to guide them that it's okay, you take this up because you love doing this right now, it can always be commercially viable at a later point in time, but you're going to be happy doing that. There's no point pushing somebody into engineering who has no acumen towards it, right? So if that can be detected at that age, it actually helps a lot. And I've had an experience recently, actually. So there was this kid who actually wanted to get into something very creative. He was very good with designing and all, but obviously the parents wanted him to get into something more concrete. And unfortunately, the child is torn between, right? He doesn't want to upset somebody, but there's peer pressure also, right? But after a session, now he was convinced that, yeah, I mean, it's okay. Parents are not going to be opposed to you as long as you're able to convince them that you are going to put your heart and soul into it, right? So as long as that works, it actually helps a lot. So for students, it is very, very helpful. And I've actually seen wonders. And I've got the feedback from parents also. And in these situations, what happens is I think there's a counseling session required with the parents as well. Right. So on one side, it's the children where you're telling them it's perfectly okay to go ahead with your choice, it's okay. You can make it together. And then you go to the parents and say, he has these aspirations, he has his dreams. And moreover, he is inclined towards it from a skill perspective, right? So definitely that is where he should be and he will do exceedingly well. So if you're able to strike that balance between the students and the parents, I think it works wonders. And I think it should be done, especially in today's age, right? It is required. Yeah.